My name is Owen Bailey. I'm the Innovation Manager for Celsa Steel. Celsa Steel is a steel producer which produces steel from recycling scrap. We do this through the process of using an electric arc furnace, which allows us to be the largest recycler of material in the UK. We have the capability of producing 1 million tonnes of steel every year, mainly for the construction sector, and we do that by recycling over 1.2 million tonnes of scrap. Through the electric arc furnace, Celsa is actually the largest recycler of material in the UK, which puts us in good positioning for delivering on the circular economy. However, there's a lot more around circularity that we can do. So in terms of circular economy, Celsa isn't necessarily changing its process, but actually changing the mindset on how we deliver that process as a service solution to our wider supply chain. We demonstrated this shift in mindset by a pilot project we did with BAM Construction on the Plaza Cinema in Port Talbot, where we engaged with the entire supply chain of that project, from scrap coming from demolition in the process and the procurement of the materials expected for the new build. By processing scrap that derived from their demolition project and delivering it back to their procurement team, Celsa could act as facilitator of a circular economy solution. So this restorative approach to circular economy, based upon that collaboration, based upon the trust that builds up through collaboration, can start to look at other ideas around circularity where materials like steel could be reused, remanufactured or reprocessed in different ways. And ultimately, the value of circular economy can be shared across a whole supply chain, but ultimately across a whole economy. So I feel the future is very bright when we start looking at circular economy, because we design out the inefficiencies in our society. Waste, in my opinion, is just purely bad design. So if we start looking at circular economy and developing principles that cover a much more systems approach to what we do and how we do it, we can develop a future which is a lot more prosperous and a lot more equal.